You are welcome to Math Demystified.
Yeah, I want to quickly explain the Pythagoras Theorem and when to use the Pythagoras Theorem. And now let me draw my right angle triangle. Let me label this A, B, C. Let's call this side B. Call this one C and call this A. You don't need to cram this. You can use any alphabet you like. So in this case, B square is equal to A square plus C square. Now, Pythagoras Theorem says that in a right-angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. I repeat, the square on the hypotenuse, this is the 90 degree, so this is the hypotenuse. So the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. I've heard students say that hypotenuse square equals adjacent square plus opposite square. That is very wrong. Why? Because the only side we are sure of in this triangle is the hypotenuse, because this is 90 degree and this is the side facing the 90 degree, which is the hypotenuse. That is why hypotenuse is the only side mentioned in the theorem. Now if you look at this, there is no adjacent, there is no opposite. You only have adjacent and opposite when an angle is given to you. If they give me this angle now, maybe they put something, they value there or something, then this is my adjacent, this is my opposite. If they put a value here, this becomes my opposite, this becomes my adjacent. But I don't have any other angle. So all I have is 90 degree. That's why I have hypotenuse. So you don't mention opposite, do not mention adjacent. So the theorem is the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. And it's as simple as that. So there's addition here because I am looking for the longest side, and this is the longest side. If I'm looking for any of the shorter sides, it's going to be A square, the longer side, minus C square. And if I'm looking for C square, the longer side minus the other side. Any other time you want to state the Pythagoras theorem, do not mention opposite and do not mention adjacent. You only mention hypotenuse. Square on the hypotenuse equals sum of the squares on the other two sides. And of course, when do we use Pythagoras theorem? We use Pythagoras theorem when two sides are given and you're looking for the last side. Say you have 4 here and you have 3 here and you're looking for B, or you have 5 here, you have 3 here, and looking for C. When two sides are given and looking for the last side, you use Pythagoras. So you look for the equation that will fit into what you are looking for, and that's it.
If you enjoyed our teaching, please click like and feel free to share our link with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications of our subsequent videos.